Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Nissan 370Z. Begin by lightly sketching the fundamental shapes that define the car's silhouette. Establish a long, low rectangular base for the main body, and then add a slightly smaller curved rectangle on top for the cabin. Pay close attention to the proportions. The wheels should be approximately 1/3 the height of the car's main body. These initial lines are your guide, so keep them faint and easily erasable. Now, let's refine the body's contours, giving the 370Z its characteristic athletic stance. Focus on the sleek, sloping roofline that flows into the rear, and emphasize the wide, muscular fenders. Carefully draw the unique boomerang-shaped headlights and taillights, which are key identifiers. Add the side windows and door lines, ensuring they follow the car's elegant curves. Don't forget the bold front grille and the functional air intakes. Moving on, let's focus on the wheels and some interior elements. First, accurately draw the circular wheel wells, then place the wheels within them. Pay attention to the details of the rims, adding spokes and even a hint of the brake calipers behind them. For the interior, lightly sketch the steering wheel, the bucket seats, and the dashboard layout. Remember to keep these interior details subtle, as they are often partially obscured by the windows. Finally, it's time to bring your drawing to life with shading and final touches. Vary your line weights, using darker lines for edges and contours that are closer or more defined. Apply subtle shading to create realistic highlights and shadows across the car's body, giving it a three-dimensional feel. Darken the windows and tires to add contrast and depth. Once satisfied, carefully erase any lingering construction lines to present a clean, polished drawing of the Nissan 370Z.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.